Hi tulips. We are going to do a special St. Patrick's Day science experiment that involves rainbows and water. Remember we said for St. Patrick's Day that legend has it that if you go to the end of a rainbow and catch a leprechaun, that he will give you a pot of gold. So we're going to try to make our own rainbow using water and food coloring. Just an FYI, parents, if anyone tries this at home, just a reminder that food coloring stains. You can see it on my hand. That's why I put the newspaper out here. Just be careful if you decide to do this at home. It's really easy, but it does make a mess. So what we're going to try to do today, friends, is we're going to try to make the rainbow. But right now I don't have all the colors. I have red, yellow, and blue. So I'm going to give you a little hint about how we're going to make the other colors, right? Because remember, a real rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But we're missing the colors. If you guys remember, we talked about this a little bit during our light unit. Red, yellow, and blue are primary colors. That means there's no other color we could mix together. There's nothing I can mix to make red, there's nothing I can mix to make yellow, and there's nothing I can mix to make blue. However, if we mix these colors together, we can make other colors. So what I'm going to do is, with our water, I mix water and food coloring, I'm going to put paper towels in each of these cups, and the paper towels are going to reach into the cup. So give me 1 second, I'm going to pause it and I'm going to do that so I can show you. Okay guys, so I don't know if you could see, but the experiment itself is actually started. So this is called the walking water experiment. So what I did is I put paper towels between each cup. So I put a cup in the middle of the red and the yellow, a cup in the middle of the yellow and the blue, and a cup in the middle of the blue and the red. So as you can see already, the color is starting to walk up the paper towel. Now, what I want you guys to do is make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? You can see already that the red and the yellow are walking up the paper towel onto this cup. The yellow and the blue are walking up the paper towel onto this cup, and the blue and the red are walking up into this cup. So what do you guys think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to leave this for about an hour, and we're going to see what happens. As you can see, already, like I said, the water's starting to walk up. So why is that? Well, the paper towel is sucking the water up and it's traveling up, up, up the little holes in the paper towel. It actually works kind of like, you know how we talked about a plant has roots, right? And it sucks the water up from the roots and goes to the rest of the plant. That's kind of what's happening here. Actually, paper towels are made from trees, which are plants. So it's sucking the water up and it's walking or traveling into the cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this raw because it does take a while. And when I come back, we'll see what happens. Like I said, you could already see it starting to start. We'll see what happens in about an hour. I'll come back and we'll see what our cups look like. So again, make your prediction and I will see you guys in about an hour. Okay, Tulip, so I know I said an hour originally, but I actually had to let this sit for 2 hours because it took a little longer than I thought, but the result came out the way I thought it would. So what I want to show you guys is I'm sure you noticed it doesn't look exactly the same as when we left it. When we left, we just had red, yellow, and blue. Remember our three primary colors? We have another red here too, but red, yellow, and blue, right? So remember our primary colors, we can't mix two colors together to make, we can't mix anything together to make blue. But what we can do is mix our primary colors to make our secondary colors. Now, remember what I said, the water was going to walk up the paper towel, kind of like how water gets pulled from roots up into a tree and goes through the leaves. Same idea. So the water got pulled through the little holes in the paper towel and walked over to the cup next to it. So what we did is we took and actually combined the two colors. If you look, we have red and yellow here, and they both walked over and climbed into this cup, which made what color? What color do we get when we mix red and yellow? We get orange, right? So orange is our secondary color, which means we mix two colors together. So red and yellow mixed together makes orange. So then let's say we had our yellow cup, but this cup was empty. We had yellow in this one and blue in the other. So again, when our water walked over, it combined and mixed together to make, what color is this? We have green, right, which is another secondary color. So yellow and blue mixed together makes green. Our blue was the same, and then we also had an extra red because I needed it to make this color. So our blue and our red combine to make this secondary color, which is purple. Okay, so we have our whole rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. This red was just extra because I needed it for the purple. So we have made our entire rainbow, friends, by combining all of our colors together. So I hope you guys like that little experiment. I can give you the link that I used to find out how to make this if you want to try it on your own. And I hope you guys have an awesome St. Patrick's Day. Bye.